Alright, so I thought I'd do a pick and gut of a lock I got from Cory. It's an SKS here. 5-pin guy. This lock works really smooth too. It's crazy smooth. So we're going to try and get this picked on camera and then gutted here tonight. Let's see if we can zoom in here a bit too. Okay. I'll be doing top of the keyway tension here. I'm using a homebrew hook. Start at the back first. There's pin 5. One's got a lot of counter rotation. You can see that guy. Feel around for my next binder here. Looks like it's 3. Now 4. Should leave 2. There we go. Pin tray here from Tahoe Boulders. I thought I had that. Oh, almost got it. There we go. I'll go ahead and get these pulled out and then show them to everybody. Start with pin 1 here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Like a spooler on 1. Another one on 2. 3. 4. Oops. 5. Okay, so the key pins all look standard. Let's see if it'll focus. Nice looking spool pin there. And 2. Oh, looks like a T-pin, not a spool pin. Same thing in 3 here. And there's spool pin on 4. And 5 standard pin. Can't really see, the lighting's not great in here, sorry. Doesn't look like any serrations down in here. Nope. Springs. Just feeling down the walls, the chambers here in the Bible, and they all feel like they haven't been modified, but there we go. SKS picked and gutted. That was a really fun lock. So thank you very much for sending that to me, Cory. I appreciate it, and hopefully I'll be getting a package ready for you here pretty soon. All right, thanks guys. Have a good one.